Hello! Have you ever seen a picture of a beautiful medieval stone village somewhere in France? It looks so dramatic that you feel yourself in a fantasy world. Let me take you there. You can reach it with a car, taxi, or bus, but there is also a remarkable trekking path to get there. It's called Nietzsche Path. Yes, you got me right. The famous writer Friedrich Nietzsche. Actually, he walked through this way from the seaside to the village, and this hike helped him writing something. Tell me in the comment what. Remember, beautiful destinations are not easily reachable. I will first of all show you the hike, and then I will take you to the breathtaking village. I am sure you will love it. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. In the beginning of the hike, you see the sea alongside while you are hiking up. Look how beautiful it's, just like a scenery, breathtaking. So, here's where the hike starts. The village is situated on the top of a hill, and the trek up to there is known as a challenging trek. It's a bit more than 2 kilometers hike, but very steep, and it usually takes people 2 hours or more, depending on their fitness level. Some very fit people do it also in less than 2 hours. And here's the memory of Nietzsche. It's too hot today. When it's too hot like this, the hike becomes even more tough. I'm an icy boy. Ice is nice. I think we are reaching the top. Finally, we are there. After the steep hike in hot weather, a drink and an ice is a must. Welcome to the most charming village in the south of France. The 9th century village is. Do you like stone houses and then narrow stone streets with some colorful houses? It looks like a fairy tale. Look at those stonework, lamps, pastel shutters. Everything is so detailed. It's like we are stepping back into a historical timeline. There are many shops, art galleries, museums in this village. Actually, it is called a museum village. Chateau Eza was built by a Swedish prince 400 years ago. It is a 5-star hotel today. Those stone stairs and restaurants, and to end with this splendid view. For going down, we took a bus up to the station S-sur-Mer. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.